जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Dipakshi and I create DIY videos into fashion, jewelry, accessories and sometimes cartoon. And I think somehow you got the idea of what I'm going to talk about in this video. You got it now? This video is especially about my favorite Disney movie Jungle Book, for which I have created a fan artwork, and I have tried to give some expert tips and tricks and hacks about the art pieces to how to create a masterpiece, and how to avoid small mistakes we make. And I think those tips and tricks are going to be helpful for you, and don't forget to watch it till the end, because in the end I have something really amazing, share something really amazing with you. So without wasting much time, let's just go and watch this video.
So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some amazing tips, tricks and hacks to create an artwork like a professional artist while using a Camlin watercolors and Dome's pencil colors. As you can see, I have already created a rough sketch of my desired scene from one of the most iconic Disney movie, Jungle Book, where Mowgli is chilling on his best friend Bear Baloo. Now time for some artistic information. As you can see, firstly I have used Camlin watercolors as a background in a picture, or you can also understand it as a first layer of colors on a picture. Always remember, while doing a background, do it layer by layer, just the way I did in this picture. As you can see, firstly I have done background colors of sky, water, trees and plants. You must be thinking why I am doing yellow as a base color on trees and plants. Wait, I tell you a secret. Yellow color when mixes with other colors gives a picture more realistic look. I think you have your answers now. Time to do second layer of Camlin watercolors on my picture, which will be bit darker than the earlier one to give more sharper look to my picture. Let's start giving it more accurate definition with Dome's pencil colors. These pencil colors is very good option for shading work. As mentioned earlier, do it layer by layer. Firstly, I will add shades to Mowgli and his friend Bear Baloo, followed by background and then foreground. If you could notice, you will realize that I am using black Dome's pencil color for showing more darkness at some places like trees, stones and plants to give more darker look after shading. Always remember, use black in the end because if you will add it in the initial process, then you won't be able to add any other color to it, which won't be a good idea for your masterpiece. Moving ahead, after doing shading on water and sky with light and dark blue, I have used a white graphite pencil for more sharpness in the picture, just like I have added black in other parts of the picture for shadow. Now I will shade plants and flowers as per my process of color layering the picture. Now it is turn for stones. We'll do shading on them while maintaining balance between dark and light, just like other parts of the picture. If you think that's it and your picture is ready, then wait a second, my friend, and buckle up your belt for the last and final touch-up, which is doing an outline with black pen. It could be any black pen of your preference, like normal black gel pen or black marker, whichever suits you. Okay, I'm going to share a pro tip with you. Never ever do outline on everything in a picture. Do it on a places where you feel it is necessary to do. Otherwise, it will look very kiddish. And second tip is never do your outline in line format. Do it like a shading so that it can easily mix up with your picture without even realizing that you even did an outline. So that's it for this video, and that's how my final picture will look like. I hope you like this artwork and learned some new tips and tricks, and now you know how to create a masterpiece.
So I just hope you like this video, and the information I have provided you in this video will going to be helpful for you. Except that if you want to know something more about art tips and tricks, please tell me in the comment section below, share it with your friends, and comment about your experience while creating such artworks. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative updates. Bye.